Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So the market is open, and after the market opening, we can see an upside on the chart of gold. Right now, gold is standing at 1808. So it's a breakout kind of a scenario. But first, let's have a look at the chart of DXY first. So after the market opening, there was kind of neutral stance from DXY, but DXY failed to maintain, and we saw a drop. Right now, the selling pressure is still going on DXY, and DXY is still struggling. Okay, right now standing at 104.13. As I have already discussed in my previous videos, that DXY's condition is not very strong right now because we do not have any immediate support on the chart of DXY. We have got some minor support around 103.50, but minor support on it. And to reverse this kind of a trend, we need something big. We need a big news that DXY does not have. So DXY is not very strong right now. It's kind of showing good amount of selling pressure. As a result, pairs like gold USD, euro USD, GBP USD, all are flying. Okay, now let's have a look at the chart of gold. So previously we saw that gold was struggling somewhere around 1805, 1804 level, but after the market opening, we can say the gold going up. So if you're holding any buy position right now, be on the trade. Don't need to exit because gold is bullish, DXY is weak, so you don't need to worry. Just chill. And on the other hand, if you're looking for fresh entry, then you can wait for some time. We can wait for a European session, because especially during the Asian session, okay, and the first half of European session, market usually remains flat. And being a typical Monday market, okay, it's better to wait for the right time. Because whenever we get a scenario like this, it's always better to buy at dip. It means whenever your market will be coming down a little bit, you can go for a buy at retracement. Okay, so the first retracement level can be around 1803, sorry, 1803, 1804. Why we're considering this level? See, this is not a strong support. Okay, as there is not much volatility in the market, we are expecting that during the European session, if market comes down also by few pips, market may get some support around 1803, 1804 level, because this was the previous resistance will now act as the new support. Okay, and this is not a strong support at all. So in case market comes down, observe the market on 180304 level. If you see market taking support and market bouncing, you can consider taking a buy position. But again, I'll repeat, this is not a strong support. In case of a big red candle, this level does not have the strength. This level does not have the power to provide support to the market. Okay, this is just a minor retracement level. In case market starts falling, okay, in case DXY shows a recovery during the European session or US session, you need to look for only two levels. Watch two levels. The first level will be 1793. Okay, 1793, because 1793 is the Fibonacci 50% retracement level. If you want to know how, then I can show you by drawing the Fibonacci here. You can see we have Fibonacci 50% retracement here. So I think that in case market shows some correction, good amount of correction, 1793 may act as a minor support, and it can lead to a small bounce. If not trend reversal, at least you can go for a buy position around 1793, and you can expect to make 30 to 40 pips, because whenever market bounces, okay, whenever market comes to a support and bounces, okay, you can make money on that bounce also. 30-40 pips around 1793 level. But in case of slow market, 1803, 1804, but not a good level. Keep in mind. And on the other hand, we have 1787 to 1778 as the big support zone for the market. See, this is a very big zone, and sorry, I can't help it. This is because this is a big block here. You can see previously prices are taken support around this level. This level has also acted as resistance previously. So overall, this is a big level. In case after a few days markets shows correction, market starts coming down this level, observe the market around this level, this area, and especially do not think about taking any sell position as long as market is trading in this range 1787 to 1778, because this is a zone of buyers. We have a good amount of buyers present around this level. So these are the levels you need to observe if market starts coming down. But keep in mind that all the levels have different amount of strength, so it totally depends on the volatility of the market. So take the decision wisely and take the decision according to the market situation. And on the other hand, if you're looking for resistance, then sadly we do not have any immediate resistance on the chart of gold right now. It looks like that this is a buy at deep kind of a market going on. The only resistance is around 1843 as per the chart. And if I take you to the daily chart, like if you're wondering why I am talking about 1843, then see, this is the daily chart of gold here. Okay. And if you're thinking that this is a resistance, but I don't think so market will respect this resistance as of now, because we can see that this was the overall structure of market and market broke this structure here. Okay, so whenever market breaks structures, then usually it breaks the resistance and it starts going up. So as a result, there's a high chance that market will break this level and start moving up. Okay, let's wait and watch. And the reason behind considering 1840 is only Fibonacci. Okay, we have Fibonacci 50% retracement around 1843 1844 level. That's why we are hoping that in case market shows strong upside also, there is a possibility that market may witness some correction, because at one point DXY will also get some support, isn't it? Okay, so if DXY gets some support around 103 level, 1022 level, then definitely gold will be around 1843 1844 level. And if gold reverses from 1843 44 level, you can definitely go for a buy position. But in this market condition, as long as gold is trading like this, as long as you can see that gold is crossing or breaking previous highs, means gold is forming higher highs, do not consider taking sell position. It can be a high risk as well. As long as we do not get any strong reversal sign, do not go against the trend of the market. Do not forget, trend is very important, so please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. That's all. Bye bye, take care. And my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate. So please follow proper risk management. Bye bye.